I've been using the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and here's the real-world breakdown. First up is the storage, with plenty of built space and options to go higher. Whether you go mid-tier or the larger version, there's room for your stuff without constantly deleting. The camera setup on this thing captures crisp, detailed shots and handles low light very well. Videos go up to high resolutions with steady stabilization, so your clips look clean whether it's a sunset or your kid running around. Watching movies is super clear. The screen is bright, rich and immersive, colors pop and details stay sharp, which makes long watch sessions comfortable, and the speakers are surprisingly good too. Not tiny, but they're loud and full enough for music, shows, or quick videos, and the gaming is smooth. It handles intense graphics and fast movements, so casual or heavy games feel dialed in. As for multitasking, popping apps to split screen or multiple windows is easy and snappy. Switching between email, browser, and YouTube doesn't feel sluggish, so battery life keeps pace with the day. Heavy use doesn't always drain it by afternoon. Charging is quick when you need to top up. As far as navigation, it feels simple and intuitive. It just flows without confusion. And yes, the S Pen, the way it attaches magnetically and works well, and works with Air Command, makes jotting notes, drawing, or navigating feel natural and smooth. And the Air features like remote control gestures add a little creative touch that makes it fun, not just functional. So overall, it's that blend of power, ease, and everyday reliability that makes it easy to stick with. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.